Ever wondered what animals get up to when they think no one is looking? Domestic or wild, all animals have tricks up their sleeves. Today, we're bringing you exclusive footage of animals doing the most bizarre things.
Be lucky enough to experience it.
From wild encounters to funny fails. These are some of the most interesting animal moments caught on camera. In India, it is common to see trained elephants transporting people or goods. But these guys had a better idea.
Hey, break!
If a car door is the only thing separating you from a pride of apex predators, you might want to keep it locked.
I know. You're supposed to lock the door.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that.
I think he senses your fear. Get over there and face him. No, get over there and face him. You can't run from him. He's gonna win. Yeah, win it! Win it! Yeah! Yeah! Win it! Win it! Yeah!
And they say a fear of chickens is irrational. There's nothing more satisfying than watching a large pod of dolphins swim through the ocean.
It's right there.
I'm scared. It's there. It's still there. Oh fuck! That's huge. Holy sh! Oh god! That is freaky.
If I ever saw a spider that huge in my kitchen, I'd be moving out. Period.
Please film me. Sorry.
Other people wake up to see their Amazon deliveries on their porch. This man wakes up to see 10 cats screaming for breakfast on his. Usually, animals are trained to sit or roll over. Sea lions, on the other hand, are trained to be professional volleyball players.
Not a cast kitty. Just not a... Look at her. She was going up... Look at her. She's challenging Noe.
This lion is clearly no match for that house cat. It should be thankful that its cage was able to keep the monster out.
Baggy, abort! There's nothing to be gained, Baggy! Baggy! Will you stop?
After smelling the package filled with dog food, this bear became a porch pirate.
Researchers are hoping this new technology could eventually be introduced to zoos right around the world. But for visitors here at Melbourne Zoo, they may be lucky enough to experience it for themselves, with the trial running sporadically throughout the rest of the month.
Is it just me, or did that orangutan smirk right when the reporter invited people to the zoo? You don't want to make an enemy out of a camel. They don't relent and they never forget a face. Thinking about going to the LA Zoo? You're gonna get your money's worth because the chimpanzees there know how to put on a show.
going on?
According to the staff at the Philadelphia Zoo, the smaller gorilla is much tougher than he looks. The big gorilla was screaming for a reason. It's not all war and evil smirks with apes though. They also have a soft side to them too, and aren't afraid to show it. Animals in the wild always have to learn under the most difficult circumstances. Sometimes it's a lion cub learning to hunt, and other times it's a baby bear's epic struggle to climb a snowy mountain and keep up with its mother. When they really don't want you checking their browser history.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
And here's a summary of the 11/11 tour, if you'll be missing it. Did you really have a safari vacation if you didn't get sprayed with water from an elephant's tusk? We finally found Dracula's residence.
What are you waiting for? Give me your power!
A dog wandering in front of a rally car somehow defies death.
The Everglades there, and there's gators everywhere, and they'll be on the road, and I literally have to get off the bike and
I didn't hear anyone read his rights. At the Australian Reptile Park, this crocodile has a watermelon crushing trick that everyone loves. Seems like alligators have an appetite for everything. Typically, elephants are calm animals. However, all that calm goes out the window when they feel threatened.
Car, it's happening. It's happening.
He'd make a good wide receiver for the Chicago Bears, don't you think? Balls are for dogs, yarn is for cats, and apparently, buckets are for lions.
Listen.
These are some hardcore pet training techniques, and clearly, they're effective. Looks like the monkey really needed the laugh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Not today, boy. Not today. Yeah, baby. Let's go.
The fact that this isn't a fully grown lion makes this even more unbelievable.
That's a challenge for you too, brother.
This could be a while. Little cat might go through. Now, we usually don't show when somebody gets loose on the field, but this time we're making an exception. Nice. Good hops.
Very athletic, huh?
Yeah.
No chance.
This might just be the most exciting thing that's happened during a Yankees game in quite a while.
Oh, my goodness.
This baby elephant threw a tantrum when it couldn't catch up to a dog it had been chasing.
The guy is not messing around.
Come on, buddy. 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 Come on, buddy.
If his iguana can be this intelligent, I bet his dog's inside filing his taxes.
You glad I'm home? Huh? You glad I'm home? Huh? Are ya? Are ya?
Woodcocks do this dance to make worms wiggle up to the surface. Can't afford a nanny? I hear house cats put babies to sleep instantly. Don't worry, this isn't a heron magically floating on water, it's just really friendly with the hippos. Sea fox are a very rare breed of lemurs. They have really short legs, which makes their movements look like funny dances. In the words of the Joker,
this is what happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object.
despite the floor being littered with many other socks, these Pomeranians decided to battle it out for ownership of one sock with many rounds of tug-of-war. Work smart, not hard. Clearly, some feathers have been ruffled. These birds have to prove who the superior gang is. Hey, who forgot to invite me? Did you know that bears are excellent rock climbers? It doesn't matter what you are, the fear of thunder is universal.
Snapping turtle. I am.
Turtles might have more stamina than we think. This one climbed a wire fence and managed to stick the landing on the other side.
Are you okay, turtle?
This is Thailand, where thousands of trained ducks fill the streets, moving from one field to another to kill and eat bugs that destroy crops.
กำลังติดขบวนเป็ด
Here's Sonic the Hedgehog reincarnated as a hamster. A punching bag versus a ram full of rage makes for a very interesting spectacle.
Are you kidding me? Woo! I can taste it. His breath is not bad.
Too close for comfort.
Watch out, Michael. Watch for tail. Move inside the boat. Go inside the boat.
Apparently, a raven is a dog's best friend. No, this isn't a dog. This is a wild fox, and just like dogs, they also love belly rubs.
Good boy.
Don't be surprised if your next Uber driver is really hairy and smells like bananas. Who taught this woodpecker Morse code? Bull elk shed their antlers a few months after every breeding season.
Bull just lost both of his antlers right in front of me.
Now you can bring them closer.
After the loss of their sibling, these birds held a heartwarming memorial service and bid farewell to their mate. Ducks can be adorable pets too. Who wouldn't love to come home to a happy waddling duck? Going into a ram's territory with loud and heavy machinery is a recipe for disaster.
Jesus.
Things got a little heated at Blackpool Zoo when a lion and his queen got into a scuffle over some lunch meat. This ram fought to protect its territory and won. According to the motorcyclist, this wasn't their first encounter either. All cats, including the wild ones, will do anything to avoid getting wet.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
The daily work schedule at this zoo needs to be reviewed. Clearly, there isn't enough cuddle time for the pandas. It is better to call animal control instead of the cops in these kinds of situations. However, this brave cop handled it really well. Beavers are nature's lumberjacks. It may take a couple of days, but they fell trees just as precisely. This cat doesn't only know how to open doors, it knows what to do when they're locked. The plot of Ratatouille makes so much more sense all of a sudden.
She's getting in that one. Oh, there she goes. She's got it. I got it. You see how much stuff I can get out of here.
This is freakishly uncomfortable to watch.
There's 8 $1 bills in there. Oh, no, there's a $10 bill. Sorry.
I have 4 limbs and none of them can handle a paintbrush this well. They lied to us. Monkeys don't go crazy for bananas, they go crazy for grape juice. He was accused of stealing vegan butter, tofurkey, and Swiss cheese. Do you think he is guilty? Drop something in the water? Don't worry, the ocean now has its own delivery service. If all rodents paid for their food, maybe they'd have a better relationship with humans. If an alligator can properly use a crosswalk, you can too. When large groups of starlings twist, turn, swoop and swirl across the sky in beautiful shape-shifting clouds, they're called murmurations. This man has to have the best Royal Canin grill in town. This is here just because of how cute koi fish are. I know dogs are pros at fetch, but I think this dolphin's pretty good too.
Oh my god! They got it. So cute! Thanks! It's never gonna work again, but thanks!
How many carrots can this hamster fit in its mouth? Lucy is a rescue from Harrisburg, North Carolina. After she figured out how to let herself out, it only took a matter of time for her to figure out how to get back in. If you're ever thinking of owning a home in the mountains, add random mountain lion visits to your list of cons.
Come here, friend.
Oh my god.
Is that crazy or what?
Where are the kids?
They're out back.
Tommy, are you kidding me?
Shh, you're gonna scare the cat. They're still in bed. They're still in bed.
That is not funny. You about to give me a heart attack. Okay.
A farmer was worried about someone stealing his veggies, so he planted a hidden camera to catch the culprit.